Welcome to Like Health. Have you ever wondered what a single spoon of olive oil before bed could do to your body? Most people don't realize that this simple nightly habit can transform their health in ways they never expected. From improving sleep quality to boosting digestion, the benefits are far more powerful than you think. And tonight, I'm revealing the 8 most shocking effects that happen when you take olive oil right before you sleep. These aren't just random claims. Many of them are backed by scientific insights and real-life experiences. Some of the benefits start working within hours, and one of them might completely change your nighttime routine forever. So if you're looking for a natural way to support your body while you rest, you're in the right place. Stay with me until the end, because benefit number 7 is the one most people never hear about. Let's discover what really happens when you drink olive oil before bed. Benefit number 1. Better, deeper sleep. When you take a spoon of olive oil before bed, your nervous system begins to calm down. The healthy fats help regulate hormones linked to relaxation and sleep. This allows your brain to shift more smoothly into deep sleep cycles. Many people report falling asleep faster after just a few nights. Olive oil also reduces nighttime restlessness and overthinking. It supports melatonin production, which is essential for quality sleep. As a result, you wake up feeling more refreshed and recharged. This simple habit may become your new natural sleep aid. Benefit number 2. Improved digestion and gut health. Olive oil acts as a gentle lubricant for your digestive system. It helps food move smoothly through the intestines during the night. This can reduce bloating, gas, and uncomfortable heaviness. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe the lining of the stomach. It may also help balance gut bacteria, promoting overall digestion. People with constipation often notice improvement within days. Taking it before bed gives your digestive system time to reset. You'll likely wake up with a lighter and calmer stomach. Benefit number 3. Powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Olive oil contains oleocanthal, a compound that works like natural ibuprofen. This makes it incredibly effective for reducing internal inflammation. Inflammation is linked to joint pain, headaches, and chronic fatigue. Taking it before bed allows these effects to work overnight. It also helps reduce swelling caused by stress and daily strain. Many people notice less morning stiffness after consistent use. This makes it especially beneficial for those with arthritis. It's a simple nighttime step with long-term anti-inflammatory power. Benefit number 4. Supports weight loss and reduces late-night cravings. Olive oil increases feelings of fullness due to its healthy fats. This helps reduce the urge to snack at night, often the biggest cause of weight gain. It stabilizes blood sugar levels, preventing sudden hunger spikes. The body uses these fats for slow and steady overnight energy. It also supports fat metabolism while you sleep. Some people even experience reduced belly fat over time. It replaces unhealthy snacks with something nutritious and natural. A small spoon before bed can help you control your appetite effortlessly. Benefit number 5. Strengthens heart health. Olive oil is packed with monounsaturated fats that support cardiovascular function. These fats help lower LDL cholesterol, the harmful type. At the same time, they raise HDL cholesterol, the protective type. Taking it before sleep allows your body to process it slowly and efficiently. It reduces plaque buildup in arteries over time. This means better circulation and reduced heart strain. It's one of the simplest ways to protect your heart naturally. A nightly spoon can contribute to long-term heart wellness. Benefit number 6. Supports liver detox and nighttime repair. Olive oil stimulates the liver to work more efficiently at night. This helps the body flush out toxins that accumulate throughout the day. It provides antioxidants that protect liver cells from damage. During sleep, Your liver performs most of its repair processes. Olive oil enhances these natural nighttime detox functions. It may reduce symptoms of fatigue caused by a sluggish liver. Over time, this can improve energy levels and digestion. It's a gentle but powerful way to support detox while you sleep. Benefit number 7. Boosts immunity naturally. Olive oil contains polyphenol, strong antioxidants that protect immune cells. These antioxidants fight free radicals that weaken the immune system. Taking it before bed ensures your body absorbs these nutrients overnight. It helps reduce oxidative stress, a major cause of illness. Consistent intake supports the body's ability to fight viruses and bacteria. It also strengthens white blood cell activity. This makes your body more resilient during seasonal changes. A nightly spoon can be a natural immunity booster. Benefit number 8. Enhances skin glow and strengthens hair. Olive oil nourishes your skin from the inside with vitamin E and healthy fats. These nutrients improve skin elasticity and reduce dryness. It also fights premature aging and fine lines. For hair, it strengthens follicles and may reduce breakage. Over time, you may notice shinier hair and softer skin. Taking it at night helps the body repair cells more effectively. Its antioxidants support healthier collagen production. You wake up with a refreshed, naturally glowing look. And now that you know the incredible benefits of taking olive oil before bed, remember this. Not all olive oils are created equal. Always choose extra virgin for the best results. Pay attention to the color, the smell, and even the harvest date. These small details make a big difference. Some people prefer taking it alone, while others mix it with lemon for an even stronger effect. What about you? If you've ever tried olive oil at night, I'd love to hear your experience in the comments below. Tell me which benefit surprised you the most. I read every comment. And if this video taught you something new, don't forget to give it a like. It really supports the channel. Share this video with someone who might want a natural way to improve their health. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video full of powerful health tips. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new